Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed how to find the amount of things while buying and selling. In this video we will also learn how to find out the prices of items while buying and selling. Today our topic is buying and selling. On Monday, these are the dishes offered in a canteen. Read the price list and answer the following. Price of a juice is rupees 45 and the price of chicken roast is 430 rupees. Price of a pizza is 655 rupees and the price of a sandwich is 175 rupees. Mr. Saad orders half of chicken roast and how much he has to pay. As Mr. Saad orders half of chicken roast, the price of a chicken roast is 430 rupees. As he orders half of chicken roast, so we will divide it by 2. If we divide 430 rupees by 2, we get 250 rupees. It means he has to pay 215 rupees. Sana takes a sandwich and a juice, whereas her brother takes a pizza and a juice. How much do they spend for lunch? Sana takes a sandwich and a juice. The price of a juice is 45 rupees and the price of a sandwich is 175 rupees. Whereas her brother takes a pizza and a juice. The price of a pizza is 655 rupees and the price of a juice is 45 rupees. As Sana orders for a sandwich and a juice, the price of a sandwich is 175 rupees and the price of a juice is 45 rupees. If we add 175 rupees and 45 rupees, we get rupees 220. The sum of these two amounts is 220 rupees. Her brother orders a juice and a pizza. The price of a pizza is 655 rupees and the price of a juice is 45 rupees. If we add 655 rupees and 45 rupees, the sum is 700 rupees. The price of a sandwich and juice is 220 rupees and the price of a pizza and juice is 700 rupees. If we add 700 rupees and 220 rupees, the sum is 920 rupees. They spend rupees 920 for lunch. A group of 6 friends asks for 2 chicken roast, 6 sandwiches and 6 juices. What will be their total bill? As their order is 2 roasts, 6 sandwiches and 6 juices, the price of 2 chicken roast is, we will multiply the price of 1 chicken roast with 2. Rupees 430 is multiplied by 2 and we get the answer 860. The price of 2 chicken roasts is 860 rupees. The price of 1 sandwich is rupees 175. We will multiply it with 6. If we multiply 175 rupees with 6, we get 1050 rupees. The price of 6 sandwiches is 1050 rupees. What will be the price of 6 juices if the price of 1 juice is rupees 45? We will multiply rupees 45 with 6. If we multiply 45 rupees with 6, the total amount is rupees 270. It means the price of 6 juices is 270 rupees. The price of 2 chicken roast is rupees 860. The price of 6 sandwiches is 1050 rupees and the price of 6 juices is 270 rupees. We will add these amounts and we get 2180 rupees. Their total bill will be 2180 rupees. What will cost more? 3 pizzas and 3 juices or 8 sandwiches and 3 juices? First of all, we will find out the price of 3 juices and 3 pizzas. As the price of one juice is 45 rupees and the price of one pizza is rupees 655. First of all, we will find out the price of 3 juices. The price of one juice is rupees 45. We will multiply it with 3. The price of 3 juices is 135 rupees. Now we will find out the price of 3 pizzas. As one pizza cost 655 rupees, we will multiply it with 3. The total amount is 1965 rupees. We will add 135 rupees and 1965 rupees. The total amount is 2100 rupees. Now we will find out the price of 8 juices and 8 sandwiches. As the price of one juice is 45 rupees and the price of one sandwich is rupees 175. First of all, we will find out the price of 8 juices. The price of one juice is 45 rupees. We will multiply it with 8. And the price of 8 juices is rupees 360. Now we will find out the price of 8 sandwiches. As the price of one sandwich is 175 rupees, we will multiply it with 8. And we get 1400 rupees. Now we will add the amount 360 rupees and 1400 rupees. If we add, we get the answer 1760 rupees. As the price of 3 pizzas and 3 juices is 2100 rupees and the price of 8 sandwiches and 8 juices is 1760 rupees. It means the cost of 3 pizzas and 3 juices is more. Price of 3 pizzas and 3 juices is more than 8 sandwiches and 8 juices. In this video, we have discussed some word problems regarding buying and selling. In the next video, we will learn about money across the borders. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.